Today I will guide you through how to generate images using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT either on your computer or on your mobile app. Make sure you are signed in with your OpenAI account. Image generation works on the free plan, but if you are on Plus or higher tiers, you will have more image requests available each day. Once you are inside ChatGPT, start a new conversation. In the message box, you can type a description of the image you want to create. For example, you could write a cat sitting on a rooftop in watercolor style with a sunset in the background. ChatGPT will take that description and generate an image that matches what you wrote. It usually takes less than 2 minutes to appear. If you want to be more creative, you can add specific details about lighting, colors, or atmosphere. For example, you could say, make the scene look like a soft pastel painting with warm golden light and clouds in the sky. The more clear and descriptive you are, the more accurate the image will be. ChatGPT also allows you to upload your own photo if you want to make changes to it. Click the plus button in the chat to upload a file. Then type what kind of edit you want. For example, if you upload a picture of a street, you can say, turn this street into a cyberpunk-style scene with neon lights. ChatGPT will process both the image and your request and give you a new version. After you see your first result, you can refine it. If something does not look right, just type new instructions. For example, you can say, make it nighttime, add more stars, or make the colors brighter. ChatGPT will use your feedback to update the image and produce a new version. This back and forth is how you shape the image until it looks exactly the way you want. When you are happy with your result, you can save it. On the desktop version, you can right-click on the image and select Save. This way you will always have a copy on your device. It is important to know that some requests may take longer if your prompt is very detailed. If your description is too vague, the image might not look like what you expected. A good rule is to always include subject, style, colors, and mood in your prompt. That way the model has enough information to create a strong result. Now you know how to generate images using ChatGPT. And that's it. Thank you for watching.